back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host, Ida, and tonight we are going to do some crystal diamond bookends. You can find these at Hayneedle for $229, or you can find them at ZGallerie for around $70, and we're going to make ours for I think $25. So you're going to need some of these gems. I got this pack from Amazon. It only has one size in it, but I got this pack from I think Michael's, and it was $19.99, and I used a 40% off coupon, and that's the only one that I used because it had an assortment of in it. And then you're going to need 4 of these stamping pads. They're for ink, for use for ink, and I got these off of Amazon, and these were $6 something a piece, $6 and something a piece, and they're 4x6 in size, and they were look like $5.95 or $5.96. So what you're gonna do is this open. Oh, you're gonna need your E6000 as well, and your hot glue gun and hot glue sticks. So you're going to open those, and you're going to open 2 of those, and you're going to take your E6000 along with your hot glue, and you're going to run a bead of that E6000 down on the bottom of one of your now bookshelves, book halves. And then I'm going to put just a tad bit of hot glue on so it can stick immediately. And then I'm going to place that one that has the E6000 and stuff and the hot glue. I'm going to place that one on the top of the other one. Now you guys, you can do it like this. You can position yours like this, or you can position that top one where it's butted up to the bottom one, the bottom, yeah, the flat one. I'm tongue tied. And you want to make sure that you get it straight. I did have to take mine off a couple of times to get it straight. And then I'm going to take, it's the largest size that's in the assortment, and I'm going to position those the way I want it. And it's basically, it's like building blocks. It's like you just stack them on top of each other, and as you stack them, you bringing them out some onto the bookend shelves itself. It's going to be self-explanatory when you're looking at it. So you see I'm putting these 2 large ones down, and then I'm going to take another large one, and I'm going to stack it on top of those 2 in the middle. And I'm going to do 3 rows like that, so it's going to end up being 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think 9 large gems on the back row to give it the height that I want it. Now you don't have to put as many crystals on yours as I did. You can go as little as how ZGallerie has theirs, or as many as how the other company, the high-end company, have on theirs. And I chose to do a lot of diamonds because, you know, I'm a bling girl, bling bling, and my desk is going to be blinged out, guys. And I probably brought too much stuff to go on my desk, but I'm going to love it all the same. And as you can see, I put 1 in the middle, and now I'm going back on either side of that one, and I'm stacking up 2 more. And then I'm going to put another one in the middle, and then 2 more on either side. And now I'm gonna put another one right in the middle of those 2. And it's a jigsaw. And guys, don't use too much hot glue on them, because, you know, hot glue, when it dries, sometimes it dries cloudy, and you don't want that cloudy look. You want to make sure that you use your E6000 so you can get a clear a clear, when it dries clear. And as you can see, this is the third one that's in the center. And then from here, I'm going to start building outward. I'm going to start putting crystals towards, like, yeah, to build it outward. So that's as high as I'm going to put it. So it's 3 high. And like I said, you don't have to put as many as I put on mine. So now I'm going to take some, they have these other different ones that's shaped like a spiral. I guess that's the only way I can say it. It's shaped like a spiral. So I'm putting those on either side to and then that is the medium size. And I'm going to put those right in between, right on the side of the bottom row. And guys, like I said, this part right here, when you're building your bookends, it's really how you want it to look. And it's really on how far out you want yours to come, how far up, how many, that's the larger one of the spiral one. And I'm putting those on either side. And also how full you want yours. So it's really going to depend on that. And like I said, I wanted mine's really full, so I'm going for a real full look. And this whole box of diamonds, acrylic gems, were, like I said, $19.99 from Michael's, if I'm not mistaken. And I got 2 bookends, plus I had like a whole a third of a thing left, and you probably could get 2 sets out of it if you went light on the crystals. But like I said, I went heavy, and I'm just gonna keep showing you guys which diamonds I'm going to use and where I'm going to place them at. And I'm just going to continue to build it. So this is pretty much what I'm going to do. I'm going to build it out. And so I'll just let you guys look how I build it. And hopefully you guys enjoy it and decide to make some of your own. But I've been wanting to make these for a long time, but I just didn't know what to use to actually make the bookend, the crystal part. And I just went hunting on Amazon, and I just put it in acrylic squares, and these came up, and I was like, ooh, there it is right there. That's what I need. And sure enough, I ordered them, and these are 4x6s, like I said, and they have them in larger size. So if you want to make some larger ones, then you can buy larger ink stamping blocks. So as you can see now, this getting farther out. Like I'm building it, and they're going farther out. It's going farther out on the oh god, I'm tongue tied, guys. I'm making it kind of slim out now. And guys, I wanted to tell you, in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I put the little pink breast cancer awareness background. So just to give you guys a heads up, so if you haven't had your mammograms, go ahead and get it done. It's easy, quick, it's painless, and it can save you a lot of heartache and headache in the long run. If something is wrong, you can catch it at an early stage. And make sure that you get all the young ladies in your life tested. I have my mammogram every year, and also do self-breast exams. The best time is when you're in the shower or in a warm bath. And if you don't know how to do it, young ladies, talk with your mom or someone that's close in your life, and they will show you. It's really easy, and it goes a long way in making sure that you live a long, healthy life. And guys, I think this is pretty much the last ones that I'm going to put on. I'm going to put 3 small ones right in the center. And here we are, guys. Breast cancer awareness view with the books. And I'm going to give you a view without the pink background. It's going to be a black background for you guys. And here's another view where I'm just moving it around. So guys, if you enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And guys, please, please, please turn on that notification bell. Guys, we need to get our views back up. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. It would be greatly appreciated. And here it is on the black background. Isn't they gorgeous? They're gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I just love them. I can't wait to do my desk up. And guys, I hope you and see, I really like the design that's on the edge of the ink stamps. And it was perfect. This was the perfect thing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it.